when you actually look at the PowerPoint presentations, what happens is you get hooked or you get bored. Hooked or bored. Bored is the easier part. You get easily bored because 10 நிமிஷத்துக்கு மேலே ஒருத்தவங்களை உட்கார வைக்கணும் அப்படின்னா they should decide to sit and listen to you. இல்லைன்னா இட் வில் ரொம்ப கஷ்டம். அந்த 10 நிமிஷம் அவங்க முதல்ல உட்காரணுமே, அதுக்கு நம்ம ஏதாவது சொல்லணும். At the start of the presentation, there is one thing that you can't ignore, which is introducing yourself. Introduce பண்ணும்போது don't be elaborate. உங்களை பற்றி பெரிய கதைலாம் தேவையில்லை ப்ரெசன்டேஷன்லேயோ பப்ளிக் ஸ்பீக்கிங்லேயோ. it always has to be, see, யோசிச்சு பாருங்க, நம்மளை பற்றியே நம்ம நிறையா பேசுறது it won't look good except for an interview. Okay, anywhere else for that matter, நம்மளை பற்றியே நம்ம ரொம்ப பேசுகிறோம் அப்படின்னா it's something which doesn't look good. So what you have to do is introduced in short. எப்படி, you can give your name, that's a given. உங்கள் பேர் சொல்லாமல் you can't start, just give your name. I am Praveen, அவ்வளோதான். Then move on. What do you say then? Your credentials. நான் வந்து உங்களை, நீங்கள் பேசுகிறத உங்களோட ப்ரெசன்டேஷனுக்கு நான் வந்து உட்காந்துருக்கேன். I'm sitting and listening to you. Okay, so what will you tell me that convinces me that you are worth, உங்கள் time is worth listening to that person அப்படிங்கிற விஷயத்துக்கு நீங்கள் வரணும். So what will I say? I'll say, hey, I bring something to the table. I can make sure this happens to you. I know this is your problem and I have a solution for it. இந்த மாதிரி ஏதாவது சொன்னீங்கன்னா then the audience get hooked. Okay, so hey, ஆமாண்டா, I feel it. I feel this is a problem. So even in this class, I told you that we all have this public speaking problem. அது எல்லாருக்கும் இருக்க ஒரு ஃபேக்ட் இல்லையா? ஸோ I throw in a fact and all of us are together in this. So once the fact is out, I also tell you guys this is how you solve it இல்லையா? So then you get hooked. So this is how you plan your presentation. When you start, you introduce yourself in short, give a credential and start by saying some fact that will hook the audience to the subject. So that's how you do, and keep your sentences fast and clear. ரொம்ப ஸ்லோவாக ட்ராக் பண்ணிங்கன்னா it won't work out, like my videos that you are watching for this week. It's very slow, it doesn't look good. I just saw it and then I'm not happy. But still, when you're talking, just ensure that your whole body converses with the audience, not just your words. Your body language, the way you use your hand gestures, eye contact. I keep repeating this from first year. First day of your classes I've been telling you this only. Body language and eye contact, this is absolutely important in presentation skill as well. So please ensure that you start practicing this 5-minute thing in front of the mirror and get yourself better in terms of your eye contact, in terms of body language, in terms of your hand gestures, and start acting confident. This is something which you have to do. So I think I've spent enough time in terms of the introduction part or start part. I'm leaving it here as of now. I want you to raise questions in this part, introduction and how to hook the audience. In the oru vishayathila mattum please raise questions now. I'll get back, get to the next part of presentation later, but for this we'll discuss now. Question time. Ashwati? Yes, Raghu. Yes, Raghu.
Sir, how to connect with the people?
Okay.
Sir, emotionally or human?
See, it depends on the topic. When you share something which you think is mutual. இப்போதான் நான் சொன்னேன், I told you that we all face this issue in terms of public speaking. ஒரு ஷைனஸ், ஒரு நர்வஸ்னஸ், எனர்ஜி இருக்குது அப்படின்னு சொல்லி I told you இல்லையா? That is the common ground for me in this topic, right? So let's say இதே வந்து வேற ஒரு டாபிக்னா you will find some other common ground or some other question. ஒரு ஷாக்கிங் ஃபேக்ட், ஓகே, ஒரு டேட்டா, ஒரு ஷாக்கிங் ஸ்டாட்டிஸ்டிக், அதை நீங்கள் அப்படி போட்டிங்கன்னா ஸ்டார்ட் ஆஃப் தி செஷனில், தென் யூ கெட், ஓகே, த ஆடியன்ஸ் வில் ஃபீல் ஓ ரியலி அப்படியா அப்படின்ற ஒரு ஒரு ஹூக்கில் ஆரம்பிச்சு, தென் தே வில் வெயிட் ஃபார் யுவர் கனெக்டிவிட்டி ஃபார் தட் டைம். அது எப்படி சால்வ் பண்ணுறது அப்படிங்கிற ஒரு விஷயத்துக்கு யூல் கோ அரவுண்ட். ஸோ தட்ஸ் ஹவு you connect with the audience emotionally, or using humor. That's all depends on your nature. I can't do certain things. Raghavi can do a lot of things which Sudhakaran can't do. Sudhakaran can do a lot of things which Thangavel can't do. Thangavel can do a lot of things which Deepika can't do. So it differs. Emotional connect or using humor as a connect is something which you can decide decide based on the topic, based on the audience. So that's up to you. But at the end of the day, the connection is something which has to happen. That is the question mark here. How? Right? So use shocking statements, use statistics, that will awe the audience. Oh, அப்படிங்கிற ஆடியன்ஸோட ரியாக்ஷனுக்கு you give something, or tell the audience that you also face the same issue, and tell them that you know their problem, and tell them that you have a solution for that problem. And that way there is a connection happening. So that way you can hook the audience.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Right. Yeah, Sudhakaran. Sudhakaran?
Sir, how many steps are there, sir?
How many steps of
For
what?
this public speaking?
For public speaking, what are the steps? First thing, you need to start preparing in terms of the content. Okay, when the content is really good, you don't actually have to worry about your body language. இது ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கோங்க. When you don't have content, it adds to your nervousness. Okay, நம்ம content ஸ்ட்ராங்காக இருக்குது அப்படின்னா that will take care of a lot of things. Content இல்லைன்னும் போது தான் we'll wonder, ஐயோ என்ன சொல்ல போகிறோம். Okay, what if there is a question that's being asked?
Confuse பண்றேன் sir.
Sorry?
Confuse ஆகுது sir.
Sorry, புரியல.
Confusion sir.
In terms of content சொல்றீங்க.
What to speak?
Exactly. See, இப்போ ஒரு டாபிக்னு எடுத்துக்கிட்டீங்கன்னா you should have something to give the audience. And the audience-க்கு what will you tell the audience, இல்லையா? So the audience is there, audience are there for a reason, not just to see, okay, Sudhakaran இன்னைக்கு பேச போறான், நான் வந்து உட்கார்ந்துக்கிறேன் அப்படிங்கிறது கிடையாது இல்லையா? They are looking for something from the speaker. In that scenario, what are you giving them? You give them something that they can learn and take away. And the something க்கு தான் you will have to work a lot, which is developing the content which will interest the audience. ஒரே கண்டென்ட்டை ரெண்டு விதமாகவும் சொல்லலாம், போரிங்காகவும் சொல்லலாம், இன்ட்ரெஸ்டிங்காகவும் சொல்லலாம். ஸோ ஹவ் ஆர் யூ கோயிங் டு டூ இட், அண்ட் வாட் இஸ் நியூ? ஒரே மாதிரி சொல்கிறதுலையும் there is no fun. There should be some kind of difference in terms of how do you approach the content. So அதில் that is up to you. Okay, but then developing the content is prime. If you have real good content அப்படின்னா, then what happens is in your psyche, உங்கள் தலையில், you forget about that, you'll have to worry about body language and all those things. But once you get the content right, ஸ்ட்ராங்கான கண்டென்ட் இருக்குது, you're going to deliver அப்படின்னா, அந்த part of the worry is not there for you. Okay, நிறைய பேருக்கு இந்த ப்ராப்ளம் இருக்குது, என்ன பேச போகிறேன்றதுலேயே தடுமாற்றம் இருக்கும். But when you have the content, that part of the problem is taken care of, and hence you don't have to additionally overcome the nervousness there. So first thing, content. And the second thing, how do you look in front of the audience? Adukku you'll have to start preparing, practicing. Okay, you have a class now. Thank you. We'll continue in the next class. and don't wait for your doubts. Put it across to me in the group or individually, right? That's absolutely fine. Thank you. Carry on.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.